Hi, I'm Dr. Janine, and this is a fantastic green smoothie drink to wake up your organs. It is detoxifying for the entire body. So first we're starting with our frozen pineapples. Now, pineapples are naturally anti-inflammatory because they contain bromelain, and bromelain is a fantastic way to eat away at that cellular debris that we do not want, whether it's in our joints or elsewhere in the body. We also have our cucumber, which is a natural diuretic, meaning that it helps us to urinate and flush out the kidneys. We also have some fresh parsley, and the parsley is fantastic to detoxify the kidneys as well. We also have some fresh ginger root, fantastic for the digestive tract and very calming for digestion, but detoxifying as well. And we have some dandelion greens. The dandelion greens are a fantastic way to detoxify the kidneys. We also have some fresh lemon juice, which is a great way to detoxify the liver. And 2 capsules of the VitaDetox, which is your full body detox for all of the organs, the blood, and the lymphatic system as well. And adding in our water. And now blending this up. So a great way to detoxify all of the internal organs, including the lungs, the liver, the digestive tract, and even the skin for beautiful glowing skin. And here we go, all finished, and I promise it's delicious.